everybody, it's Ronnie here, and so in today's video, I have for you guys some really cute and high-end looking Dollar Tree DIYs for Halloween. So these are perfect just to have as home decor. All of this is mainly home decor, but I'm sure you guys will love it, and it is super customizable and easy to do. So if you enjoy this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing. We are getting close to, the next big milestone, 300. So if you want to subscribe, I have a lot more Halloween content coming your way, and I mean a lot. It is only September. We still have the whole month of October to go. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So for my first Halloween DIY, I have for you guys this really cute standing boo sign that is super easy and simple to make, and also looks pretty high-end. So I took the plain wooden boo sign from Dollar Tree, and I painted it entirely, front, back, and in all the little crevices with some black acrylic paint. They sell this at Dollar Tree. You can find it in their Craft Your Square section. Then I got this purple spiderweb material they have, and I put a coat of Mod Podge over the entire word, so then I could adhere it there. So with Mod Podge, you just need one coat on the bottom. It's really easy to paint it on, and then you just layer the material or fabric on top. Then after letting it dry, I went ahead and trimmed away all of the excess material. This was a little tedious to do, but in the end, it only took a couple minutes. So this DIY is super easy to do. You can do it in a couple minutes. If you want it to be sturdier, you can glue a Jenga block to the back of it. And yeah, as easy as that. This next DIY is also a simple one that looks like something you might be able to get from a Home Goods for about $8, and you can make it for $2. So I took one of the candles from Dollar Tree, and I just went ahead and melted it down. You can use whichever candle you want. I used the tall ones because they had a lot more wax. I tried to color them, but food dye and paint just did not work. So I took the wick from that tall candle, and I just taped it to the bottom and poured in my wax. And then I went ahead and added some essential oils, since the ones I got had no scent, and I held up the excess wick using a stick. After it's all dry, you can go ahead and cut it, and then boom, you got a quick and easy jack-o'-lantern candle. It looks super cute, especially in that glass. It looks very high-end, and I think this would look pretty on any tier trays or as centerpieces. Now this DIY is another customizable one that I think is very creative, and you can make it, translate whichever Halloween theme you want. So first, I took one of Dollar Tree's big wooden signs from the Craft Your Square section, just a plain circle, and I gave it a coat of black paint, along with one of the other Dollar Tree DIYable Halloween signs. Then, using that same Mod Podge trick from that first boo sign DIY, I go ahead and add a nice layer of Mod Podge to the entire circle sign, making sure I cover every inch of the front. And then I go ahead and layer on some silver spider material. They have many options at Dollar Tree for what you want. I just really loved how this silver material looked. I then went ahead and trimmed off all of the excess material. And then I go ahead and add Mod Podge along any surface that may peel up just to add some extra adherence. Then I go ahead and hot glue the sign down to the center, making sure to align it with the holes that were already there. I did change the color to purple. I then took one of the plastic ribbons from Dollar Tree and using a mixture of hot glue and E6000, I went ahead and adhered that to the very top of the sign just to add a cute little touch. Then I went ahead and added some black twine just to finish off the look and to allow the sign to hang. And I think it is just super cute. I think it really looks well. You can customize this a lot. Whether you want more of a cartoony Halloween look or a fancy Halloween look, I think this is great. So this next DIY is super simple and easy to do. And it works great for tier trays, or centerpieces, or just any sort of home decor. So first I got one of these ceramic skulls from Dollar Tree. They are plain white, so obviously super easy to DIY. You can just go ahead and give them a really nice coat of paint to make them look super nice and detailed. I do recommend priming it with some white paint first. Then you can even do it with these glossy finished skulls as well. So all you have to do first is just add a layer of white as kind of a primer, so then the color you put on top will really stand out. And I think they look super cute, and you can have so much fun with this. You can do this with your kids, you can do this just for home decor, for any sort of craft. I think this is a really cute way to kind of get in that festive holiday spirit, especially for Halloween and Dia de los Muertos. And again, super easy to do and very customizable, and they only cost $1.25. Now, of course, you need Halloween all around your house, so where else is better to put Halloween than in the bathroom? And these really simple and easy DIYs are just perfect for that. So using my Cricut, I went ahead and I cut out some skulls and some fangs along with some letters. You can get vinyl at Dollar Tree, and it works just fine for this. Sadly, you cannot get a Cricut at Dollar Tree. I wish. But then I went ahead and I just weeded all of my vinyl, which took a quick minute. But then I was able to get these really cute skulls from all of the designs I used were free from Cricut Design Space. So I went ahead and I used my transfer tape and I just started sticking the skulls nicely onto the surface of one of Dollar Tree's soap bottles. So you do want to make sure that your surface is all clean. You can use an alcohol wipe or just water, whatever you choose. And so here I am adding the word poison to the top, just to give it that extra Halloween flair. And then I'm doing the same thing to the toothbrush holder with this free vampire fang cut. And I just think these are really cute. They almost give that Ray Dunn vibe, but obviously they're not Ray Dunn. But I think these are just perfect for any bathroom. Now this last DIY has to be my absolute favorite. It is this beautiful looking skeleton hand candle holder. And this only cost a maximum of $4 to make. So first, I took this plastic skeleton hand from Dollar Tree and I cut off every single one of the digits except the one closest to the palm. They're very easy to cut through. I just used a simple X-Acto knife. You might even be able to use scissors, but make sure to keep track of which digit was where. Then I use a mixture of E6000 and hot glue to glue one of Dollar Tree's just regular candle holders onto the palm and then onto one of their glass candle holders. Then, just using hot glue, I went ahead and glued all the fingers down, attaching them to the glass to make it look like the hand is curling up onto it. I even used some hot glue to fill in all the extra bits to hold it together, and then I gave it a nice coat of spray paint. I used Rust-Oleum spray paint from Home Depot. Then, using some silver paint I got at Michael's, I just went over that rim and dry brushed some silver onto the hand. And boom, it gives it that nice rustic look. I really think it's pretty, and I think it's good for that sort of eerie Halloween decor look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Your support really does mean a lot. I do hope you enjoyed these 6 cool, high-end, and customizable Dollar Tree DIYs for Halloween. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing because I have so much more Halloween content in the works and on the way. Also, check out all of my social media linked down below in the description for even more cool Halloween stuff. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to have fun crafting!